If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. So, with all that said, let's get into this unboxing. Thanks to this pandemic that's going on right now, we missed out on March Madness. And here in North Carolina, March Madness is a big deal. I want to do an unboxing on a few items that would have been really big during this March Madness period of time. This first one comes from Clark Toys. So it's a small box, so you can guess it's probably not sneakers, but it's sneaker related. I pre-ordered this a while back when it was first announced, because I am, in addition to collecting sneakers, I collect a few other things. So some of you might have been able to guess what this is. Let's take a look. Clark Toys is a great website. They have bobbleheads and figurines and everything. So what I got was the 2-pack of the Michael Jordan UNC Funko Pops. These Funko Pops feature Michael Jordan in his white Carolina jersey, as well as in his Carolina warm-up suit. They look pretty good. They actually have the hair, unlike the other Michael Jordan Funko Pops. And it's just a great collector's item if you're a Jordan fan or a UNC fan in general. So things I had to add to my collection, especially since, like I said, I collect Funko Pops. Now the next thing I wanted to talk about was a pair of shoes that was released this year, that was, again, for March Madness. Some of the dopest colorways for Jordans outside of the standard Chicago colorways are the UNC colorways. Whether it's one of my personal favorites, the Jordan 11 Columbia, as they call it, with the Carolina blue hints, or later on they had the low top Jordan 11 with the UNC patent leather on the toe, or even the Jordan 6 UNC. The UNC colors always seem to pop on Jordan models. So this next shoe is no exception. Now this shoe was supposed to be a general release, but it was probably one of the worst general releases that I've ever seen in my life. It was sold out almost immediately on all websites, and then in the stores you couldn't get it. Now I don't know if this was just a North Carolina thing, based off of looking online at different resale sites. It doesn't seem to be. It seems like it was everywhere. But I know here in North Carolina, like some of the malls, people were buying the shoe and then walking right down to resale locations and selling it for cash, which was really annoying because I went to get a pair and the guy was like, oh, that guy got the last 10 and a half. So let's take a look at the Jordan 3 UNC. Having to get a pair from StockX because they were sold out everywhere. But I really like the way these turned out. Initially, I wasn't a fan of them because the UNC branding that was supposed to be on there, because this original colorway was a player exclusive model, and it had UNC on the tongue. So when they announced that they were making it a general release, obviously they took those features off. Now there's still some remnants of it because it does have a thick Jumpman that's bigger than the normal Jumpman, but I wasn't really interested in the shoe until I saw some other videos of it. Because again, even though I love the colorway, just missing those details. But then with seeing the videos, seeing people talk about how the shape was improved, and it was one of the better models of the recent Jordan 3s, ended up feeling like I just had to have it in my collection. Because like I said, I love Jordan 3s in general, and I love UNC colorways. In terms of the look and design, the color blocking is very similar to Hall of Fame Jordan 3, with those color hits of red replaced with the Carolina blue, or as they're calling it, Valor blue. Like I said, I really like the way this shoe turned out. It's going to be a great summer shoe if we're able to get out for the summer. If not, hey, I'll just wear it in the house with my UNC jersey and just be chilling. So what are your thoughts on this Jordan 3 Carolina colorway? Is it one of your top favorite threes? Or what other Carolina colorways do you like on which sneaker models? Sound off in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.